What is up, YouTube? Justin here, back with another Minecraft update. Nah, I'm just messing around. But on a serious note, alright, so this video that I'm making right now is gonna be installing my 2013-2014 Mustang GT taillights. I got these at a relatively good price. I bought them from some junkyards over about an hour away from where I live, so it was kind of a trip, but it was worth it. Right when I start recording, my neighbor just starts cutting his grass. I've been on here for about an hour trying to set this up so I don't get too much wind noise and everything. The second I stepped out here to start recording, you know, he starts cutting his grass. I mean, it sucks for audio purposes, but I mean, nothing I can do about it. I'm hoping there's not going to be too bad audio, but again, I apologize. This time I actually took care of the wind problem. I did a little Mexican engineering and I made a box. Forget the juice that I have there. I put this box from one of my packages around the camera, that way the wind wouldn't be hitting it and you can hear me a little better. But right when I'm doing this, my neighbor's cutting his lawn, but I mean, it's all right. There he goes. So I got a head start. I already took off the left tail light and I loosened up the bolts on the right one. Taking off the tail lights really isn't too difficult. All you gotta do, sorry for the mess, is unscrew these three bolts. I already took them off on the left side. Tail light's gone. And on the right side, I already loosened up the three bolts, and you're just gonna disconnect the. Give me a second. All you have to do is disconnect the plug-in for the tail lights. The one that I accidentally unplugged the other day when I was driving with only one tail light. You disconnect it, you pop it right out of the socket, and you pull the tail light right out. So let me go ahead and take off this one so we can install the newer ones. Pull it right out. None to it. Now I got these tail lights at a really good price. On American Muscle, I believe they're retailed at about $1,600 for both. 800 bucks a piece, so that's really expensive. So I did some research. I was looking all around the cities all around where I live. For the most part, they were trying to sell them from used dealership, like junkyards, for about 400, 500 a piece. So you're saving about half. So I continued to research, and I did find one for $150. The reason it was so cheap was because it was cracked right down the last little the little circle. I'll show you right here, right there. It looks really ugly right now because I put some silicone. I mean, right now it looks ugly. Later on I'll buff it out. This is just for now. I wanted to let it dry outside because I've had it in my room for a while. I don't want any water getting in there, so I put some silicone all around the crack. It does look kind of ugly, I know it does, but from far away I'm hoping it looks better. But I mean, I take these over those outdated tail lights any day. These look a whole lot nicer, and they're gonna make the car look a lot cleaner, especially with the deck lid that I installed the other day. So let's pop these bad boys in and see how it looks. Doesn't that look a lot better? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks a whole lot cleaner now, wouldn't you say? I love it because the 2014 model, the 2013-14 model, I love the back end of it. The tail lights. Honestly, Ford really knocked it out of the park with these tail lights. In my opinion, like, I'm not saying this only because I have it. I really do think that the front end of the 2010s to 2012 Mustangs, they're a little bit more muscle car retro look. The 2014s and 13s are still nice, but in my opinion, these look a little bit more aggressive. The rear end for this model of Mustang, I honestly think the 2013 and 2014 taillights look 10 times better than the older version. But I do think this updated look just looks a whole lot cleaner. Alright, I want to show you guys what I did up here in the front, but that's going to be for another video. I don't know if you realized, but I had some bad paint damage on the hood. I didn't get the car repainted, but I did do something that honestly didn't break the bank, and it makes it look a lot better, because from a distance you can't even tell if the hood's brand new or not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. Likes and comments are really appreciated. Until next time, I'm out.